We're back. I want to fix something. Apparently, my stream is for kids only, which means I can't chat with anyone, and I wouldn't want that. Yeehaw. But similarly, yeah, I can do it in such a way that let's see. I think the abstraction will be too much if, or I can still do it the way they did it. Fetch the data from the server and then pass pass it down. Anyway, let's go with the. I think I'll be doing anything here. Uh, just see where's this shopping cart. Mm. Oh, oh. Tell me, let's check this again. Okay, anyone here? Yeah, let's see. See, am I calling this shopping cart somewhere here? Mm. Okay, here. This is what's on here. Shopping cart. That's the quantity. Assume. Is anyone here? Oh wow. So I've been just going aimlessly, not even knowing what to do. But so go one step at a time. Right, so if I fetch the item first of all, right? We need to pass the item. I think we just go with the server. Because I want to use React query, right? But it will require me to do kind of at least two abstraction, where one is wrapped in the query client, and then the other one will pass that's the props, the item into this cat model here. And so that I could just get the quantity here to use. Right, but it's not going to work that way because if you remember, I actually am going to use local storage to store the item, so that will not work. Yeah, let's do something here. It's my layout. Navbar. Let's try something and see. Talk. What is it? Okay. This looks nice. Where did I get this W? HJJJJ. This looks nice. Nice. Okay. Then, okay, coming after, right? Let's open cards. This open card should be able to toggle. Let's check the code and see. So, right, this is it. Then here is the model. Oh, okay, okay. I think I might understand what is happening here. Let's look for the open card here. Alright, on click, let's change. Okay, so they're actually displaying the cards there. So, I see. This is what she was displaying instead of what I'm displaying there. Right, so I think the open card is called somewhere here. Close, let's check and see. Well, anyway, we'll fix that. But I think I get why. But at least we have that there. So here's the TSX. Default. I don't need to get the section also. So the section is already on the server, right? This will just make a local. Oh, hello, Abdul Majid. Welcome. Hey guys, you know Majid is my friend. Majid, you're welcome. So I think after having this React Query wrapper, right? Just let's see. I think yeah, this at the end this is what I need to call. Oof. I am even out of name here. Heart item, probably. .csx. Abdulmajid is still here. Yeah, he's here. Hello, Abdulmajid. Hello, Abdulmajid. Let me take this here. Yeah, so this should then. Inhaling active. I need to import fingers, right? Cart item. So if I do this right, this the cart item. By doing this right, the cart item is going to have like all the I will be able to use React query out on the server. No, sorry, client side. And then only this component it's going to use React query. So return. You should also for now just return h1. So then uh, and data equals to use query from town stack. It's really a good library. It's a good library. Really like working with it. So this should have, you know, maybe the dependencies at card item and query function. It's always going to run our function to get the items. Let's see. I think we should have something here. Does that? Where is it? Alright. Yeah. So we need to make request to this. Just kind of get async function get card items away. And items plus away. Fetch dot API slash add method get. Oh, okay. You don't. I understand. You don't the add query. Oh yeah, I am already posting the request. See it here. So immediately I'm using this route. So it's going to come to this route. First of all, we have to even check. Anyways, well, if the item does not exist, it's going to return an empty card. So there's like no need for me to do all that. And then I think I just uh, need to fix, but that's what I'm going to. Okay, of the React query. So React query is like it's a library that's tan stack. Come where is it? It's a library, tan stack query that allows you to fetch data easily with React. It's straightforward, and the good thing about it is that it comes with like a lot of helpers. That's it's loading. Let me show you here. So where is it? At item. Let's say here. Okay, this now it's going to take the data. If it's loading, it's error, all these things. But normally you have to be like the one to use effects to do all these things. But React Query abstract all that from you. It's very simple to use. Okay, guys, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'll be back. Hello, guys. I'm back. No. You don't ask you. Okay, so right. The thing is, right, query does not actually fetch the data. This is what fetch. I'm using fetch to get the data. Then we ask query is now transforming the data so that I can consume the data. By the way, this should return. promise. I need to do this, but for now, just some promise of string. I const response custom item. Oh wait, item dot JSON. Then we return response. Yeah. So you don't need ask here. Yes, yes. Kind of my yes, exactly, yes. Something like that. Am I live? Yeah, I'm live. Although this is not the final state. Let me just do the types. Let's do something here. Cart TS. So this will hold everything about the cart. Spot type cart. I need to know who. No, but I don't need to even. Do I need the user ID? I don't really need the user ID. Just need items in carts, right? I'm going to have product, which is of type. Come on, this should work. Yep. And then in this to hold my product. I need to have quantity of the product. Let's see. It's my Prisma model. All right, this is what it looks like. That's we need the quantity. I think that's all we need. And then let's see. Yeah, we need the quantity and the product ID is already in the product. I don't know if I need the cart ID itself. Anyways, I'll just add it. We don't buy it. It's not bad if I actually add the ID. Think that's all I need. Yeah, this is all I need. And cart item. Yeah, should be cart types. Yeah. So here we pass the get cart items. Let me first try this. Check if first need to check the state of the data. If it's loading, so if it's loading, turn P. Right, then this should be this model should be this should be cat item. Mm, Should be cat. I'm coming. Let me delete this import. I wouldn't want my Prisma client to be exposed. So it should, yeah, card, array of card. Okay. Okay, the total quantity. Let's see. So this will not work actually. Let me fix it here. All right. So this is my function to add to cards. You see. So this is my function to add to cards. I don't know if I answered you, but yes, it's for managing data, fetch data. That's to transform the data. Just do something here. It's my schema. Prisma schema. So we need to know quantity of the card. All right. That's quantity. Yes, but I can still just do the card item dot length to get the quantity. Yeah, I didn't need to change my schema. I was going to change my schema for it to work that way, but instead I'll just do cards dot exactly total card dot length. So I need to invalidate. I think let's do it step by step. It could be the new. I think it should be card dot length. But I have to change this because I know this is not going to work. So yeah, you can be the hero, you can be the best. Let's see. This is all fixed. So far, I don't know. Add map. This is the key there. Let's see. I think so. I don't know if are you still here? Are you still here? Yeah. So this is what I've been. This is the template. So this is what I'm doing. I'm trying to fix this part, but this is what I'm using. This nextjs template. It's actually easy to work with. Not really easy, but at least I'm learning some things in it. Like I think one of the examples I found that's since this is a server side, like these things are this is a server component. This page here, which I think they did here. Where is it? Which I'm trying to check. Yeah, it's the screen. Anyways, it's okay. Yeah. So this is what you see if you open the page. That's children page. So these are the items, right? So the interesting thing that I noticed is you see this. Okay, this if you open a new page to an item, right? You see this the item page. That's kind of the item ID or whatsoever. Then notice this black. Add this to the query. That's to the query parameter black. Choose this. So what this does, right, allows you to kind of without having to use state, but you use the URL as a state. And if you add the item to cart, it's going to get this URL and then get these query parameters from the URL. I think that was really cool. You don't have to use state. That you don't have to use your state to make the component. This is basically a client and no, this is a server component. So this button is actually a client component. So this button extracts the color and then the size from the URL parameter. You can just do split from this question mark. I think yeah, it's split. Yes, I think it should split. Yeah, right? It should, yeah. Split from here, then it's going to just give you this color and then from there. So, so let's see. Merchandise URL. I think for me it should be item dot product ID. Yes, touch params. Yes, yes, yes. There, I think on nextjs doc. I found it here. It's somewhere here. Where is it? Yeah, it's going to give you. Then you can just get what you want from the search bar. It's actually cool the way they did it. So here, I can just give it product dot and the product dot name. Then the src item dot product image. Here, for me, it's still name. Okay, okay, item dot product dot name. Here too could be the same. If item dot you convert here. Item dot price. Oh, I keep. I shall just extracted this out instead of having to do all this currency code and GN. So this is actually some cool thing I found. They're actually using this. Where is it? Yeah, I didn't even know. So I think it yeah format. So if we pass in the currency code, I think this is a package or something, a library. Yeah, going to give you the which is nice. Anyway, uh, currency, total item in the cart. Mm, Just let me give it mock data. I need to actually do this first. So I have to handle this from my server. Let me add it to my Obsidian to-do list. So I think it makes sense to just make the server do all this calculation at the front end. Then let's see. Uh, Let me think of another thing to do. I just thought of something to do now and I can't remember. Okay, yeah. Add the total of one quantity of items in the cart. Just see. Where am I getting an error? Cart total amount. This should also be. This is just me hard coding it, but then I'm still going to do it. I'm going to fix it. NGN. Funny thing is, after all this, it's not going to work. Let's try and see. So initially, this was using Shopify. So, and for me, from here, to take you to another page, not this. So I'll do that. Congrats, check merchandise title. We'll fix this. Figure out what that means. But for now, products dot name again. Okay. Okay, guys. Moment of truth. I'm coming. I'll be back. This should use client. So moment of truth. Cat wrapper. Let's see. It's my layout. Let's see. Cat wrapper. What? It's assigned a JSX component, right? Oh. I was confused. I need to join this team, maybe. Uh, so it's my now bar. Yep. Moment of truth could go wrong. Yep. The data is loading, but it's not showing. It's not showing what I wanted to show. Let's see. Did anything go wrong? No. Well, strange. It's not like anything went. Let's see this. Oh, seriously, though. Why is it not working? Let me check the code. Are you passing anything to the cart? Right, the layout. They are actually not doing anything. No, I am surprised. Oh, it's not working. But let me try something. Uh, where is it? All right, let me do this. See, It should be related to this. This is the reason. Oh my god. This is the reason. Cat model. Yep. If my code is even going to break, it's going to be from here. So eventually my code breaks. Why do I feel like this will break? Disaster yet. Here goes not. Yeah, it broke. Anyways, let's comment this out for now. Let me see, what do I get first? And then this too. See, what data am I actually getting? Oops, my bad. That's fine. Then to include cart items. True. I think this should fix it now. So it does work. No. Mm, Let's try and fix this first. Wait, let's take this out first. What? Oh, it works. It works. It works. It works. It works. Okay, guys, I have to go now. Fine. Yeah.